This is your Kuya Rolly and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome another video and another guitar tutorial. Song by Oren Pearl, Pagsubok. So, let's go! Isip mo itong na panahong nais mong maliw. Bakit bang mabalati? Yes! Ito yung chords ng Pagsubok by Oren Pearl. Meron po tayong 4 na chords lang. Nag-uumpisa siya sa D. Napakadali, the 2nd fret. Yan. 2nd fret, and then third string, first string in the 2nd string in the 3rd fret, D, and then A, 2nd fret, lahat, 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string. Yeah. B minor, this is flat bar chords rather. Pwede din ganyan lang para mas madali. Then middle finger at the 2nd on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret, the ring finger, the 4th string in the 4th fret, and then 3rd string in the 4th fret. That is B minor, and G. Yan lang. G, 3rd fret, na 3rd fret, 6th string, and 2nd fret, and 5th string, and 2nd and 1st string in the 3rd fret. So, ganun lang yung kinala. Yung intro nyo. Isip mo itong na parang nais mong balik. Bakit ba mabalaki ng mundo? Nagalawan, buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Sa nilalipinan, umulan sa iyong puso, kaya mo yan. Yan. Din sa chorus, same pa rin ng chords. Pagkabigot, alinlangan, umulo sa isipan, mga pagsubok lang. Huwag mong istigil ang laban, huwag mong isuko at iyong labanan. Ayan, so I hope nakuha ninyo yung mga chords, and that is a very easy chords: D, A, B minor, and G. So thank you so much and God bless. See you in my next guitar tutorial. This is Kuya Rolly. Bye.